Good morning. My name is Leon. Welcome back to my channel. I live in KwaZulu-Natal in South Africa, and in the last week we had major storms that hit our coast and took away basically all our infrastructure. We've got no water. Electricity was restored, but we were without electricity for about 3 days. Some regions are still without electricity. Major part of Durban, north, south, west, everybody, no water. So today I'm lucky. I've got a 2,200 liter tank that I harvest rainwater, and so I'm gonna attempt to build a rocket stove, because to every time heat up water to bathe in or wash something in a little kettle is taking too much gas. So I'm gonna attempt to build this rocket stove, and we're gonna put the bike stuff away for now, and let's see if I can build this rocket stove. See you there. I'm gonna pack away this stuff and then we'll get started. So I've got these coffee tins, and we'll cut a hole in it, yeah. And let's first take off this paper. Right, I actually use this tin to make my own charcoal to filter my drinks that I make. We'll get onto that another time. But yeah, so yeah, this one's perfect. So the first thing we'll do, I'm going to use this as the entry pipe, and I actually made sure that there's no air in here left. Drilled a little small hole, and so let's just get the dimensions for it. You can either cut it out with a drill, drill holes and then cut it out. I'm going to use the grinder. I think that will be the easiest, seeing that I don't have a Dremel. So I'll see if I can clamp this in the vise and grind it open. Otherwise I'll just use the drill, make holes and then cut it out. With the correct safety PPE on, let's go ahead. Right, now we're going to just take it out. See if it fits. That's perfect. Alright, so the next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to just move this back. Going to open this, basically make a pipe out of it. So I've got a can opener here. Let's see if that works. No. The bottom. No, that doesn't work either. So I'll have to grind it open. I'm just going to put the disc on the grinder. I'll be back now. Right, I'm back. Let's cut open this baby. I can see it's starting to go open in the middle. There's a little line there, but I need to go a little bit more. And it's open. Right, got it open, got my marbles. As a young boy, we used to break open any can we can find just to get to the marbles. Because the next day at school is marbles, all the time. But those days are gone. Children don't play with marbles anymore. Right, now I'm going to attempt to do the other side the same way. See you there when I'm ready. Right, there, it's done. And I've still got the strength of this top and bottom rim. So yeah, this is very nice. Came out better than I thought. Right, so that, let me just put this away. That will fit in there. Good. So when I get more cans, I'll come back to you. Alright, so this is where we are at the moment. I've done that. It's all the way through. And I've actually used, we call it here in South Africa, we call it Pratley steel. I don't know what you call it in other countries. But yeah, it can handle over 1000 degrees Celsius. So I've tried that. I'll see if it works. If not, I'll have to make another plan. And then also, now I'm gonna just turn it like this. I'm gonna cut this one, and that will go on the inside. That's the inner tube. So when I've done that, come back. Right, so now we've got this one cut. I'm going to take the top. This one will go on top of that one, like that. And then I've got another one that should come to about there, which is fine. So I'm just going to take the bottom out. Okay, so that's like that. And then I'm just going to fetch the other one, which is full of ants, busy eating the jam or jelly. Let me just clean that. I'll be back now. Right, got the other one. Right, that one will go there. Okay, so I'm just going to glue them and then I'll come back. Alright, we're back. I've done this. It's all one piece now. See there, all the way. Right. So this will go in here now. and this one will go in there. Okay, so that's what it looks like. So now I'm just going to get some sand and fill it in between the two tins all the way to the top. But it's raining again, and so as soon as it's dried out, I'll get some dry sand, put it in, and then we can give it a test drive. Hi there, we're back. It's not 100% finished. I haven't put the sand in between the cans yet, but I couldn't wait. It's burning nice, burning very nice. And it is hot, very hot. It's been about 4 minutes now, and I can already hear the water boiling. So there's a rocket oven. Right, since we did the last video where I had the fire in it, I did a few upgrades. I took some of these strips, I don't know what you call them, and fastened them to each other, and then I did this on top, so that's where you put your pot or your kettle, and also the inside ones I've stripped together, so it's one solid unit now, and it's actually much better. I've had a few people tell me why so high. It's just I don't like to work on the ground, so if it's standing on the ground, and it's more a suitable level to work on. So yeah, that should be the end of this project. See there, it actually sits quite nice and it works 100%. I'll see you on the next project.